Hi friends, now in the last class we have already discussed the first part or SCP1 of the topic the Stonecutter, and also we have already discussed the question answer part of the topic. Now we will discuss SCP2. In the first part, lastly, Kalu wanted to be the sun. The angel came again and turned Kalu into the sun. Again the angel came from the heaven and turned Kalu into sun. Kalu burnt everything. Kalu burnt everything. Sabu jinsaku Kalu jali dela. Burnt everything. He burnt the faces of the king. He burnt the faces of the king. Kalu burnt the faces of the king. He burnt the faces of rich and of the stonecutters. He also burnt the faces of the rich and the stonecutter. जते rich people थिले and stonecutter थिले समस्त को फेस को जाली. He was happy. Kalu was happy. But after some days he saw a cloud below him. Below. After some days he saw a cloud below him. किछि दिन पोरे से ता तळे गोटे क्लाउड देखिले. बादल गोटे देखिले. It would not go away. एहा आगो को गला नाही, दूर को गला नाही. बादल आगो को गला नाही. Now he could not reach the earth anymore. He could not reach the earth anymore. Reach. पहुंचना है से आज को पहुंची पाइला नहीं. The cloud was stronger. The cloud was stronger than the sun, or the cloud was stronger than Kalu. And of course the man wanted to be a cloud. The man wanted to be a cloud. So Kalu wanted to be a cloud. Kalu पहला मु एथरो cloud ही. Of course अवश्य कालू चाहिला मोटे cloud. The angel came again and turned Kalu into a cloud. Again the angel came from the heaven and turned Kalu into a cloud. The cloud rained every day. The cloud rained every day. सब दिन वर्षा हमारे. People stopped coming out of their houses. People stopped coming out of their houses. लोग माने घर भी बाहरी परिले नहीं. The sun did not shine on the earth anymore. The sun did not shine on the earth anymore. सूर्य किरण भी देखा गला नहीं. The man was overjoyed. The man was overjoyed. The man was overjoyed. लोकड़ा अत्यंत खुशी, अधिक खुशी, अधिक रु अधिक खुशी, overjoyed. Then what happened? He was stronger than the sun. He was stronger than the sun. Sun ru भी से stronger है गला. The people, the grass, the tree, everything was washed away by the rain. सब गुड़ा को वर्षा रे धोई गला. People, grass, tree, everything was washed away by the rain. Washed away. सफा हुई. सफा हुई. सब गुड़ी को वर्षा रे सफा हुई. This is all about SCP2 of the topic the Stonecutter. Now we will discuss the question answer part of SCP2. Follow me. We will discuss from question number 1. Question number 1 is, did the angel make Kalu the sun? Angel Kalu को sun करतेला की? Answer: yes, the angel made Kalu the sun. Question number 2. What did Kalu born? How did he feel? Do you like him? तीनटा क्वेश्चन गोटे नंबर रे अछि. He bought the faces of kings, faces of rich and stonecutters. He felt very happy. No, we do not prefer it. आमे हेले याकू पसंद करी नथांतु. Question number 3. Why could not Kalu the sun reach the earth? Kalu the sun earth को कहीं की आसपेला नहीं. Kalu the sun could not reach the earth because below him a cloud was seen which would not go away. ता तले गोटे मेघ देखा गला जोड़ा कि गला नहीं सेति से अर्थ को आउ आसपेला नहीं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. What did Kalu want to be next? Kalu wanted to be a cloud next. तापरे कालू गोटे क्लाउड हवा पई चेष्टा कला. Then we will discuss question number 5. Question number 5. Was Kalu turned into a cloud? Yes, the angel came again and turned Kalu into a cloud. Question number 6. Why did people stop coming out of their houses? Answer. People stopped coming out of their houses because the cloud rained every day. The cloud rained every day. सबु दिन वर्षा होतला सेति. 7. Why did not the sun shine on the earth? Answer. The sun did not shine on the earth as the cloud covered the sky and rained. As the cloud covered the sky and the earth. Question number 8. The man was overjoyed. Who is the man in the sentence? The man was overjoyed. Kalu is the man here in the sentence. Question number 9. What did the rain wash away? Rain कौन wash away कर दिला? The rain washed away the people, the grass, the trees and everything. ये सब गुड़ी को rain wash away करी देला. Okay, this is all about question answer of SCP2 of the topic the Stonecutter. Okay. Hi friends, now we will discuss SCP3 of the chapter the Stonecutter. Okay, we have already discussed SCP1 and SCP2, and also we have already discussed the question answer part of SCP1 and SCP2 of the chapter the Stonecutter. We will start from the SCP3 part. Okay, but when the water fell on a rock, जिते बड़े रॉक ऊपर वाटर टा पड़िला, पत्थर ऊपर पानी पड़िला, the rock did not move. रॉक आउ आदु गला नहीं. कालू saw this. ये दृश्य कालू देखिला. He shouted. पार्टी कर. तेरो पार्टी. कौन कहला? He shouted. I want to be a rock. I want to be a rock. Kalu shouted and wanted to be a rock. And the angel came down and turned Kalu into a rock. तापरे angel तलक आसला एवं कालू को rock भी करी. The rock did not move when it rained. When it rained, the rock did not move. जेतेबेले पुणी वर्षा हला आ rock कोनसी move कला. Then what happened? Suddenly a man with an axe came and began to cut stones from the rock. हठात गोटे लोक, suddenly a man came with an axe and cut the rock. गोटे लोक आसी ता कुल्हाड़ी रे से पत्थर को काटी पकड़ले. कालू did not want to be a rock anymore. तापरे कालू आ rock होवा को चाहिला. The angel came down for the last time and said. The angel came down for the last time and said. शेषथर पे angel आसिला एवं कहला, you shall be a stonecutter. You shall be a stonecutter. वर्तमान गोटे स्टोन कटर हम सो कालू वाज ए स्टोन कटर अगेन तापर पुणी कालू गोटे स्टोन कटर हेई गला ही वाज पुअर बट ही वाज हैप्पी ऑल्दो ही वाज पुअर ही वाज हैप्पी से गरीब होई पारे किंतु खुशी रे रही नाउ we will discuss the question and answer part of SCP-3 of the topic the stone cutter. Follow me. We will discuss question number 1. What is question number 1? Why did Kalu want to be a rock? Kalu कौन पाई rock हमारे चाहिए? Answer. Kalu wanted to be a rock because it did not move in the heavy rain of the cloud. Okay. Question number 2. Did Kalu become a rock? Answer. Yes. As Kalu wanted to be a rock, the angel came down and turned Kalu into a rock. Question number 3. Why did not he want to be a rock anymore? Answer. Kalu did not want to be a rock anymore because there was the stone cutter to cut stones from rock. To cut stones from rock. Question number 4. What did the angel do then? तापर angel कौन कला? Question number answer. The angel came down for the last time and made Kalu into stone cutter. It was rock cutter. शेष थर पई आसी कालू को पुणी गोटे स्टोन कटर करी देला. Question number 5. This is the last question. Was Kalu happy to be a stone cutter again? Answer. Yes. Kalu was happy to be a stone cutter again. Friends, this is all about the question answer and teaching part of the topic the stone cutter of class 8 English subject. Okay. आशा करे आपण मानकु भिडियोटी भल लागिथिबो. जदि भल लागिछि ताहले लाइक करंतु, शेयर करंतु एवं कमेंट बॉक्स रे कमेंट मध्य दियंतु एवं समस्त को मोर अनुरोध एही परिप्रेक्षी रे वर्तमान आपण माने समस्त सोशल डिस्टेंस मेंटेन करंतु, हाथ को बारंबार सैनिटाइज करंतु एवं मास्क व्यवहार करंतु, सुस्थ रे रहंतु. थैंक यू. गुड बाय.